Kaira, what are you thinking?
कभी ना कभी तो तेरी शादी हो जाएगी. Then I'll have this entire house to myself.
House to yourself, huh? I'll show you. Here, I'll show you.
Okay, wait. First we need to figure out what we're gonna wear for Shreya's wedding tomorrow.
Oh, we're twinning, right?
Right. Matching lehengas?
Check. Backless blouse?
Check. Smooth skin?
Check.
Dude, how does your skin always glow? My skin always glows because मैं तेरी तरह पार्लर आंटी नहीं करती. मतलब Venus. Try कर इसे. Using Venus is really easy. It's just 3 simple steps. Wet your skin with some water. And you don't even need soap for this because this has inbuilt gel bars. Glide Venus Breeze upwards. Apply your favorite moisturizer and you're good to glow.
Glowing skin?
Check.